Hello everyone, so this is the retro guy back. Um, well, good news, I have already reassembled a keyboard and it is fixed. So basically, just to give you a tip here, what I did is I bought this electric paint from Amazon. The brand is Beer Conductive, and I was a little, how can I say, I wasn't very sure this would actually work, and I basically, I just applied to the broken track and broken trace, waited for it to cure and to dry out, and just reassemble it, tested it, and well, to my surprise, actually it worked really well. So it's all fixed now. The return key out now works. All the upper keys here that were defective now works, and yeah, that was really a success. So on this last video section, what I would do is basically show you the whole thing working. I will show you the floppy drive working. I will show you the CD-ROM working. So just before I turn it on, and just to give you a little insight about what has happened since the start of this project. So basically, I noticed that there is some sort of an issue here with the computer, which is whenever I power it up, you're going to see that. And I'm pretty sure this is related to the video card that is installed here, the Radius video card. So the computer doesn't boot up on the first attempt. So it just halt, and no image, no hard drive movement or anything like that. So there is no activity whatsoever. Interestingly enough, I still get the healthy chime, which tells me that at least there is nothing too serious with the motherboard, memory, or anything like that, which also tells me that it might be related to the video card for some reason. I have a theory that this is related to the internal CMOS battery, because I have removed it, and maybe some setting is being lost when I power it down, and it only actually kicks in after the second attempt. So every time the second attempt works well, reboot works well. It's only when you power it down and you wait a while and then you power it up again, then the first attempt never ever kicks in. So just to show you what I'm talking about, so power it on the monitor here, and now trying to power it up the computer the first time. I have, just so you know, I have connected the Macintosh to the sound out of the Macintosh to the sound in of the monitor. As you remember, this monitor has built-in stereo speakers, so the sound now will come out of the monitor. This is the first time I'm actually attempting that. So as you can see, nothing happens. I don't see any hard drive activity, only the fan, and the hard drive actually spins up, but it doesn't do anything. It doesn't try to actually boot. And so power it down, power it back on, and you're going to see it works without me touching anything. So we're going to see some image now, and there you go. So I'm pretty sure this is related to the video card and the fact that there is no CMOS battery inside. So I'm going to purchase a new CMOS battery, and I'm going to install it and then eventually test it out back again. If that resolves the problem, I will give a very short note on my blog just to tell you that that solved the problem. This is also something that is happening, so this is a software related issue. So what happened is I upgraded the system to macOS 8, but the thing is it wasn't a proper upgrade. I just basically copied the system folder from another Mac into this one, and there is some conflicts that probably is not doing well. So yeah, I'll have to fix this later on. Probably what I would do is just downgrade it back to 7.5 system. I had to upgrade it because I needed to install the a AdaptTech Toast software, so that I could have the extension that actually allows this CD-ROM here to work, because this is not an original Mac Apple CD-ROM, it's a Yamaha one, and it needs a third-party extension for the system actually to recognize it. So this is the extension right here, the AdaptTech CD extension. So I can easily downgrade the system back to 7.5 now. I have tested already, the extension is compatible with the older version of the system. So I might do that just to get rid of this annoying reboot thing that happens. Other than that, the system is fully operational, it's working flawlessly, and in terms of the overall condition, it looks amazing now. Like I have shown this already before, so I'm not going to talk about the appearance of the whole set. So the keyboard again, like, is fully reassembled. It looks amazing. The mouse looks like new. So let's test the floppy drive first. I have already tested it. It works really well. So it mounted. So I can just copy something out of it back to the hard drive, for example. Just a small file, so it works. And that's pretty much it. So it's working flawlessly, no strange noises or anything. Mechanism is also working very well. As for the CD-ROM, I'm going to use the Encarta CD again. So again, this is a Yamaha CDRW, which means it's also recordable, and you can use the AdaptTech Toast software to actually burn CDs using the Mac, which is already installed. So yeah, this is a great addition to this beautiful machine here. So the CD mounts, as you can see here. So it's again like fully operational and working. So this was a great success, fully refurbished and cleaned and almost like in a new state. Powermac 6100 with a beautiful monitor, and now a newly added CD-ROM as well. So let me just test the sound here, because I really want to see the sound coming out of the monitor. So let's see if the speakers are actually that great. So let's go to the alerts. So yeah, it is coming off the monitors. I can actually see that. Yeah, it does look okay. Like, it's much better than the internal speaker of the Mac. So yeah, this is also a great success. So yeah, it is fully operational. Like, not sure what I'm going to be doing with this right now, because I do have another one that I use, which has the PC, the DOS compatible card inside. I'm going to show you, like, it also looks great. It has been already fully refurbished. So I'm probably going to sell this guy here. So yeah, not sure yet. So this is actually going to go to my storage later on. I'm going to protect it and everything else. And but yeah, I'm not gonna leave it here because I don't have enough space. So just to show you the one that I have here. So this is my other one, and it has a beautiful Sony Trinitron monitor here, and this one has the DOS compatibility card inside. I'm going to leave this for another YouTube recording. I'm going to actually demonstrate this beautiful machine to you guys. Okay, so that's it for now. Let's say goodbye to this project for now. To me, this is pretty much over as it is. So yeah, it was really fun. Well, not so much, but at least it worked. That's the main thing. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe and wait for more videos. Thank you. See you later.